how to add Vidiq extension for Chrome. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Vidiq extension for Chrome. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over, open any of the search engine, and then you're gonna click on these three dots at the top right, and then you're gonna click on extensions, then you're gonna click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Also, you might as well simply click on the link given in the description below in order to get an access to Vidiq, and you will be redirected to Vidiq. So once you're here in your Chrome web store, you're going to search for Vidiq, simply click on enter, and now you'll be able to see something like this, that is Vidiq Vision for YouTube. So you're going to simply click on it, and over here at the right side, you'll be able to see an option that says add to Chrome. So you're going to simply click on it, and now it will add to Chrome your Vidiq extension. So you're going to simply click on add extension, and after that, you'll be able to see that the adding process has begun. After that, you'll be asked to sign into Vidiq, so you're going to head over, simply sign up with Google or your email and password. So once you sign up, you will be redirected back to YouTube, and then you can follow simply the steps that you are being asked to follow. And after that, that's it. If you're able to see this Chrome extension and Vidiq Vision over here, that means you have successfully added the Chrome extension of Vidiq. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.